Ouch Palagi show naman tayo ko. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, young and old. For those tuning in from the van, from the bus, and wherever you are, we are this morning. We would like to take this small opportunity to welcome you on Ouch Palagi show. Thank you so much to Punjas and also Vinod Patel. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Good morning to you too.
See the sunshine is trying their very best to overcome the clouds.
No wonder you wear the glass.
Yeah, because of the sunshine
right.
coming on the window.
All right.
The window and the sunshine.
You the window.
The guava. Who's this?
Yeah.
Marika. You are shaking. Depending on which weather you are facing this morning.
Right.
Thank you very much to Dubs.
Right.
To Dubs LT1230.
Right.
The Black Arrow taxi drivers.
Right.
To all the taxi drivers, to all the bus drivers, to all the vehicle drivers, to all the drivers of any transportation.
Right.
Joining this morning, we welcome you in this Ouch Palagi show this morning.
Noah, you look beautiful this morning.
Yes, thank you so much, Mika.
Right.
I always look beautiful.
Yeah, a special dedication from you all the way from the far apart, in that valley. Very, is feeling lonely this morning since it's cold. And he wants to dedicate this special song to you.
Oh.
You know that fella? Oh, Ramjatan.
Ramjatan is the shop.
Good morning to Bill Lysenia.
Yes.
Malombula and also Melina Valle. We're tuning all the way from Brisbane this morning. Mbula Binaka to all those who are watching on
20.
Yes. Viewers on our VDFM Facebook page this morning. Dams, boy.
Good morning to all the students who set for their paper this day.
Right.
And next week we'll be starting with the year 12.
Right.
Some of the students finish with their examination due to their subject combination.
Right.
Some of them they are finished. Thank you very much.
Right.
For keeping and maintaining
silence.
Silence of the exam paper during the work material. John Mark, Bilasenia, Melnadalewu, Lucille Rusi.
Thank you for
Okay, when you two are attending school, what is your favorite subject?
Right. Me, my favorite subject is maths.
Oh, you're very smart.
Only two, maths and physics.
Wow, you know if
I want a
maths
wow.
and physics. Kaya makanya itu talita ka ng maths ka ng physics.
Right.
Sir nga, di ko dorong ni buku.
Yes, of course. No wonder I'm I'm a radio announcer. You know, delivering the message to all over the world.
Calculating.
That's maths and physics.
Oh, very smart.
And this one, the best subject is PE.
Goal. For myself, my best subject is agriculture science.
Oh, right.
Maths and biology.
Oh,
That's my subject.
Oh,
okay.
Then why you never ended up in the nursing station? No.
I'm
agriculture student.
I'm agriculture student.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing it in the farming.
Hey, but he's applying his knowledge at home.
What at home? No farm at home?
Hey, he's gonna farm at home. Gardening, yes, backyard gardening.
And why you apply physics, you need to take agriculture too.
Why?
Yes.
Because you have a farm of a dairy farm.
No, that's like we are brought up there.
Oh,
yeah, it's in the blood.
So
we have to take some other things.
Why your vehicle is injury and you take it to a mechanic while taking physics? You should know.
Oh, very different.
You know, when I look at Mika, I thought, you must be very loud in the class and very cheeky. Very large box.
Holy Cross and Reketi workshop to Father Camille Nivoy Hamasi and also for the farewell.
Right.
And some of them Bishop Vilebu Menoliku, Bishop Henry Bull.
Right.
This morning.
Yeah, what I'm not telling you, we can start on to my and Matakavanakua and a book on the non-the Ouch Palagi show and Matakavanaka. Yesterday, we've been debating.
Yes.
On what. When Makutu. On the women's job at home and also the men's job at home. I want to ask you two. When it comes to decision making. Decision making at home. Is it eligible for mom to make decision? Noah.
Okay, no. We women, we listen.
Okay.
There is a decision.
Listen, speak, read, and write.
Yes, we
Right.
listen, speak, read, and write.
Right.
To the male.
Right.
To the father of the house. To the head.
Okay.
Head of the house.
Right.
Yes. So he will make the decision.
All the time?
But we will, yes, all the time. He will
Right.
have to make a decision.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay.
He will lead us.
Right.
And then we will
Lead
follow.
us in prayer. Yeah, and then?
We will follow. We
Ma'am.
will follow his decision. Whatever
So-
he says, we will abide.
So that means there is no other way you can you turn the breadfruit around.
Oh, we can turn the breadfruit.
Okay.
Yes.
How come?
John Kumar Ligabos.
Yeah.
Masumuto. Kukusai.
Yeah.
High school my Chabani.
Right.
And also Mauri my Rambi to the Fia Family School compound ready for school today.
Right.
Fia Sakayo.
Yes.
Joining this morning.
Is mom eligible to make decision at home?
At home
Right.
there are two heads.
Right.
Yes.
Two heads is one. 2 plus 2 is 1.
All right. No, 3.
Yeah, 2 plus 1 is...
One and
One-
one became one.
1 plus 1 equals to 1.
Okay. 1,
Yeah.
2, so 2s.
Yo, Mike.
Okay. Who spends money on unnecessary things? Is it mom or dad? Eleanor.
Dead.
Why? Okay, explain.
Because dad, a lot of drinking grog and going here and going there and
Right.
partying and going to the nightclub and
Yeah.
unnecessary spending.
Okay.
Yes.
Dad still going to the nightclub?
Daddy depend on mommy's protocol.
Okay.
Mommy's manners is very, very cheeky and not follow the rules of the family.
Right.
Okay, mommy live here and daddy Jao.
Okay. Jao where?
Jao club.
Clubhouse. Okay, who loves Deepa?
Huh?
Who loves Deepa?
Oh, women.
Everybody loves
mothers.
Deepa.
Huh?
Mothers
If you
loves
love
Deepa.
Why you marry?
No, no, no.
Okay, between men and women in a
Yes.
family, who loves Deepa? Men or women? Why?
Women.
When?
Men too love Deepa.
Huh?
We both
How
love
Deepa?
The Deepa we are, the multiply we eat. Asa nang hindi na sa mo ni Botalevo. Hindi uto naman.
Okay, how Deepa?
Mo we Deepa, the mo we Deepa.
The more we multiply.
Bola menaka tu
Elizabeth. Esta Elizabeth Rarakula. Sama boleh kumbayan naman taga ni Kwamio Sambulare.
Right.
Kalau nga tati ko nagkarabitabi.
Another question to the viewers,
Yeah,
to the
okay,
viewers,
yeah, to the viewers,
To
yes.
the viewers. Who is multitasking?
Multiply.
Multitasking is the women.
Okay,
Yes.
explain.
We can do plenty things at once.
Right, like what?
Yes, we can cook and help the students with their homework.
Right.
Chito lututo, malo. Ha? O de me kuku mo libata ka na ko mo kami dami tabi carnivore.
Hey, we will guide them. We won't be writing.
Leon na likan na wala das tao mo na minto carnivore.
Nilikyan na landas taongan eh. Kaya mo samboy mo ng kursan kesa. Who is multitasking, Demis?
Multitasking is everybody is multitasking.
No, between men and women.
Men.
Okay, Mike.
Okay.
Men can do any job.
Right,
Okay.
like what?
Multitasking means this.
Yeah.
One job is you can do
Doing more than one
Yeah.
job
At one time.
once. Yes.
At one time, you can do plenty job.
Yes. You can climb the coconut.
I can read your mind.
Dobi na udi mbula na kasawela lingamana. Tegad. Love 100% the money. Bawan pasien
Wait.
mandara. Bawan pasien mandara.
Bersama.
Bimbuku.
100%. Nama
Yeah.
besar sa mabuli man sa sarwel mai. Nama kita tayo nama taka na mali besar Punjas Kei